Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know I like to just jump right into my tutorials. I don't like to take too long in the beginning talking. First, I'm going to use the Mystified Spray by Gerard Cosmetics to moisturize my skin. And then I'm going to use the Unicorn Serum. And this is a antioxidant serum which really just helps take care of your skin underneath the makeup. And I've been using this like non-stop and I really see a difference in my skin. So I just rub that all over my face and press that in. And next I'm going to go in with the Rose Gold Elixir and mix that in with my foundation. I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics Matte Foundation. And I'm applying that with a foundation brush just to get it all over my face. And then I go in with Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. I'm not sure the specific name for this, but it's an amazing sponge and I've been using it a lot more than my beauty blender. And I just feel like it gives a nice flawless look without making it look too cakey. For concealer, I'm using my favorite concealer by Urban Decay Cosmetics. This is the All Nighter Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And like always, I'm going to apply this underneath the eyes, on my forehead, down the ridge of my nose, on the sides of my nose as well, and then on my chin. And then taking that same sponge, I'm going to blend it. And when I'm done blending, I'm going to set my concealer with the Peach Perfect by Too Faced, and I'm going to set that under my eyes. And everywhere that I applied the concealer, I'm going to use the setting powder. So underneath the eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin area. Be careful not to inhale this. Actually, it got in my mouth and it tasted just like peaches, so try not to eat it either. So after I bake for just a little bit, I want to say about 30 seconds to a minute, I start pressing that powder into my skin. I used to just sweep it away, but pressing it into my skin, it just helps it give it a more flawless look. And moving on to the eyes, I'm using Urban Decay's Troublemaker palette. I'm going to use this first color, the 24/7 color, as a transition shade, and I'm putting that into the crease with a Makeup Addiction blending brush. And as you can see, I'm holding the brush like at an angle, and this really helps with blending. Next, I'm taking Relish, and I'm putting that in the crease as well. But this is a smaller brush, and I like using it that way you can still see the other color. And after that, I actually go back in with that blending brush to blend it even more. So I'm taking that dark color and putting that on the outer crease only. Next, I'm going to apply some setting powder underneath the eyes because I'm going to take this beautiful golden bronze color and I'm going to put that on the lid, and I don't want any of that. As you can see, there's fallout and I didn't want that to get on my foundation, so that's why I put the translucent powder there. And when I'm done applying that color, I lightly sweep away the translucent powder. And then to finish the eyes, I'm going to apply that brown color underneath the lash line, on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking Maybelline's Curvitude liquid liner. Right now, it's really been my go-to for liquid liner because it's so easy to apply. And then for lashes, I'm using Lashylicious Fluffylicious lashes. And I just love how dramatic these are. They're so fluffy. And to contour my face, I'm using Luscious Face Contour Kit, and I'm using a MAC contouring brush. And as you can see, I'm applying that on my cheekbones, and then I'm also going to put some on my forehead and my jawline. And I want it to be like a very deep color, so I'm applying it and building up that color. But first, I wanted to show you a little behind the scene because I think it's like so funny.
Mommy, I'm scared to go to school or sleep.
Why?
Because here's this girl. I was going to the bathroom and she said, "Do you know there's a girl that likes to poop so much and it stinks?" I said, "No." I said, "What's her name?" And she said, I don't know. And then she whispered, I never saw her. And then she was looking at me weird and walking away. That scared me.
She wanted to scare you. Okay, so some of you had been wanting me to share more of my motherhood experiences with you, so that was one of them. Okay, so after contour, I'm applying the Bellany Blush by Ofra Cosmetics, and this is like my favorite blush right now. It's so pretty. And for lips, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Lip Pencil and Toast and Butter, and this is a part of their Lip Tensity collection. And I just love it because it really helps to contour the lips without it like being too dramatic. And for the lipstick, I'm using the new Dose of Colors liquid lipstick and Lazy Daisy, and it's so beautiful. Honestly, I was just going to leave it just like that, but I really wanted to try out the new Urban Decay lip glosses, and this one is called SBL. I think on my Instagram I called it something else, but this is color SBL, and I put it all over my lips. And next, I'm trying out the new Anastasia highlighter kit. I bought this with my own money because you guys know they took me off their PR list. But I really, really wanted to try the highlighter, so I bought it and I love it. And after that, I'm going to set the whole look with the Slay All Day setting spray so that my makeup lasts all day and then the makeup is complete. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one.